Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial. This tutorial is about helping the heart, where we are going to look at some technologies and ways used by doctors to treat some heart problems. The first common technology is the use of the stent, which is used to treat the coronary heart disease. A stent is a metal mesh placed in the artery. A tiny balloon is inflated to open up the blood vessel and the stent at the same time. The balloon is then deflated and removed, but the stent remains holding the blood vessel open. So, the blocked coronary artery will then open and the blood will flow freely. It is important to know that stents are useful for opening up blocked arteries almost everywhere inside the bodies, so not only the coronary arteries. Another important technology for treating heart diseases is the mechanical and biological valves. We know from the previous tutorials that heart valves have to withstand a lot of pressure. However, over time, they may start to either leak or become too stiff to open properly and allow the blood to flow. This can cause breathlessness and eventually death. Doctors can perform surgery to replace the heart valves. They can either replace them by mechanical valves, which are made up of materials like titanium and polymers. But the problem with mechanical valves is that patients are on medication for the rest of their lives to prevent the blood from clotting around the valves. On the other hand, doctors can replace the heart valves by something called biological valves, which are taken from animals like pigs or cattle or even human donors. The patient does not need any medication with these, but they only last for about 12 to 15 years. Another important technology is the artificial pacemaker. We know that the normal heart beats around 70 beats per minute during rest, and we call this as the healthy resting rhythm of the heart. A group of cells in the right atrium of the heart control this rhythm. They act as a normal pacemaker. However, if they stop working properly, the heart can either be too slow and the person affected will not get enough oxygen, or it can be too fast and not be able to pump blood properly. So, the technology that treats this problem is the artificial pacemaker. This is an electric device used to correct irregularities of the heart rate. It is implanted into the patient's chest and is attached to the heart by two wires.